Hi everyone, welcome to week number 5 in the course. This week we continue to talk about the theme of proficiency. So when you look at your weekly to-dos, first thing you want to do is read the weekly handout and the standard for maintaining professional boundaries and preventing sexual abuse. If you're able to go through that material and have a good understanding, that would be great. And of course, if you have any questions, you can bring them to the office hour on Thursday. There is a fill-in-the-blank document related to the standards of practice, which when you pop into the folder, you'll be able to see. That allows you to kind of look at the standards of practice and fill in the areas which are absent, just to give you a better understanding of the standards themselves. This week, I'm hoping to do a little bit more work around the group assignment. So if you have your group together and you are looking towards building your group contract, please do so. Once you have that done, if there is one member that could send that back to me, that's great. And the contract itself can be found in the assignment section of Blackboard. If you don't have a group yet, I will be sending out a Google form later today, just to see if there is any folk that haven't had a chance to kind of connect with anyone else, and we'll see if we can kind of get people together. Do take part in the second discussion board, and again, discussion boards run for 2 weeks. I'm looking for 2 quality posts over the course of those 2 weeks, and at the end of the 2 weeks, they end on a Sunday at midnight. So if I just pop in here for a sec, you can see where everything is. Of course, we have our weekly slide document here. Our standards for maintaining boundaries and preventing sexual abuse is a rather new document, but one which is particularly important, especially as you start to talk about informed consent. Standards of Practice web quest is here. So again, this is a fill in the document where you go to the website of the CMTO and you fill in the absent information. We have our discussion thread here, and then when you pop in here, there's a number of different options available to you. The Good, Bad, and the Ugly is a series of scenarios related to the Standards of Practice. Problems at Home is a particular case around an individual who's having problems maintaining proficiency in their practice. And the last one here is one where you might be able to actually do it with a partner. So in this situation, what you would do is you go and you would look at any of these particular cases. These are all discipline cases. And with your partner, you would review it and actually host a discussion for the week. Just have a look at this information, and you can kind of base your kind of initial presentation around the questions that are posed here. And what you would do again was you would host it over the 2-week period. Again, it's a paired activity, so both you and your partner would be getting acknowledgement for the posts that are going in. The last one here, the Good, Bad, and the Ugly, is really just, it's one of the discussion threads, but I'm trying out a new tool called Hypothesis. And you don't have to use it, but I was just wondering if you do use it, just if you wanted to give me some ideas as to whether you like it or not. It's the same sort of discussion, but it allows for, as you can see here, I've made a statement here, and it shows up on the right. You can kind of track a little bit more readily. If you try it, great. Let me know how it works, if you like it, if you don't like it. If you're more comfortable with our standard discussion, that's totally okay, cool, and fine to do. So that's it for now. If you have any questions, please give me a shout. Don't forget, I have my online office hour on Thursdays at 3 o'clock. Take care.